Hi, my name is Nicholas Tan. Today I want to talk about a topic: how to use Facebook Live to market your business. This is part 2 of 5. Okay, let's continue to the next 4 marketing ideas using Facebook Live. Number 5. Stevio's Spring Line. Stevio is a well-known cosmetic and beauty brand name. When it came time to launch their Spring 2017 collection, they did it over Facebook Live. They even created a hashtag for the event they called it New and Stevio. Host Jeffrey English and Matthew Chevelle start the video by pointing out that viewers will come to see all of the collection's new products. Then they did some puzzle to the event by guaranteeing that Facebook viewers will get an early peek at a product that hasn't been launched yet. We actually have a product that hasn't hit Stevio.com yet that we are launching exclusively on Facebook Live. So stay tuned. Jeffrey revealed at the start of the screen. Key takeaway: add some puzzle to your screen by saving the juicy story for last. This particular will allow viewers stay tuned and provide something to expect. Source: screen source located at the end of this page. Number 6. News freeSTYLE. News, the well-known entertainment media company, has a series on Facebook Live that is called freeSTYLE with Sun Hong and Cinder Burden. These videos provide a celebrity makeup artist who present viewers with cosmetics and beauty ideas. In a recent stream, Paul Bunch does a live makeup tutorial with Cinder. Throughout the video, he stopped to reveal to viewers how to get the golden glue that is covered during spring and summer. In the meantime, Suri is keeping track of the comments section. A viewer named Country asks, "Do you ever use the Premiere?" Paul answers, "It's the great thing. Priming to me is the pearl before you're putting on your actual makeup. So priming is hydrating, moisturizing before you use this product." Key takeaway: getting a weekly series helps viewers. Don't forget to tune in at the same time weekly. You can also host guests to add a fun secret element, so viewers wonder who will be presented next week. Number 7. Impact branding and design website Throwdown. Impact Branding and Design is a marketing agency located in Connecticut. Once monthly, they host an event called Website Throwdown. This is where the marketers behind impact critical websites. Users can send their own website to be critical, and they will get comments about their website content, the design, and their search engine optimization. Each month, viewers log onto Facebook Live to see if their website is presented in the live stream. Key takeaway: if your brand name is having problem with ideas, think about offering a critical to viewers. For example, if you are a fitness brand, ask users to send a clip where they are doing 10 punch. You can then show the videos on your live stream and provide suggestions to help viewers fix their form. Number 8. The Body Coach Bootcamp. John Wicks is the fitness trainer known as the Body Coach to his Facebook fans. He created the 19-shift, shake, and subsistence plan, a lifestyle plan designed to assist people lose extra fat. At the beginning of 2017, Joe started his own fitness boot camp. He live-streamed workouts 3 times a week. Viewers could follow together with his workout to lose weight and get healthier too. Fans that enjoy the live stream and find it useful could also buy the 90-day SSS plan. Key takeaway: brand name can use live stream as portion of their sales funnel. Gives viewers a small taste of your premium product or service at no cost. Then allow them know where they can make a purchase. Let them know where they can make a purchase. Screenshots located at the end of this page. This is the part 2 of 12 make-up marketing ideas using Facebook. The next part will be followed.